Hello everyone, welcome back to Educlynk. So now we are sorry to repeat on the last exercise on the introduction to indices, probably from two syllables. So the exercise goes by simplify the following expression 2x cubed y squared divided by x with power negative 1 y. So I solve this. So when we see this, what do we do? Bring like terms together. So this is the same like 2 times x cubed times y squared over this is negative 1. If I put the 2 and the x's together and the y's together, I've not changed anything because it is not plus. If it is plus here, I cannot do this. But since it's a level sign, I can do this. I can put my 2 alone, then this alone, and this alone. So what is this going to be? I'll have my 2 alone, y cube, my x cube, over x to the power, x cube over x to the power negative 1. See, the x to the power negative 1 is down. As we said that, if we use this thing, since this thing makes the a to the power n, you put down. Putting really down, you make the x to the power negative 1 to go up equal. So since it was down, we become times x here up. Now I copy back this. I put my dots and I have y squared all over y. That's going to be 2. What is x cubed times x? X to the power 4. Thus, what is y squared divided by y? We don't just repeat the same like y to the power 1 or y. So y squared divided by y, if you use this, we're going to have m is 2 and n is 1. You're going to have 2 divided 2 minus 1 as powers here. 2 minus 1 is 1. Anything raised to the power 1 is itself, so you can write that. You can write it. And that is just called. So what have we done here? Okay. Let me expand it further. Here, put my 2. Here I have x cubed over x to the negative 1. And y squared over y. Now x cubed over x to the minus 1 is equal to what? X cubed times 1 over x to the minus 1. So since I have 1 over x to the minus 1, 1 over x to the minus 1 is the same like x only. Because if I have x to the minus 1, it will be the same like 1 over x. So now when I have 1 over x minus 1 is them, I'm going to add x. Why am I going to add x? I expected before. Because if I use this formula here, I'm going to have 1 over, using this, I'll have 1 over a to the power n, 1 again over x to the power. So this x is going to come here, in the x only. So when you have x to the power is 1 up, or anything to the power negative up, it goes down, it becomes positive. And when the power negative is down, it goes up and becomes positive. That's what we did here. So since the power negative is down, you go and become positive. So this will become x. That will be x to the power 4. Meaning here we are going to have 2 x to the power 4. Here, how do you solve this? How do you solve y? squared over y. Y squared over y is the same like y to the power 2 minus 1. This equals to y. Why is y to the power 2 minus 1? Following this, when you have the same base, the power something or over something else, you do the power up minus the power down. I have the answer. What's my get? Y to the power 2 minus 1 is the same like y to the power 1 is equal to y. So here you have your y here. And that is how you have your answer is 2x to the power 4 y. So hope this was understood. So thank you for watching this video. Hope it helps you. I hope you have understood. So this was all about the topic introduction to indices for the Form 2 syllabus. So I'm going to meet again, that's for sure. So from now till then, keep on solving with us on Eduquiz.